Guys, in this video we are going to compare Wondershare Filmora and Premiere Pro side by side. So let me just tell you over here that this review is not a technical but rather a general one, and my purpose to make this video is to make sure that you have the adequate knowledge to help you decide whether you want to go for Wondershare Filmora or whether you want to use Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's dive into it. So the very first point that I want to bring to your attention is the interface and ease of use. So if you talk about Wondershare Filmora, it has a user-friendly interface, it is quite easy to navigate, and this makes it a great choice for beginners. And within its interface you have a drag and drop system for importing media, which makes it more easy. And then moving on, you also have preset themes, titles and effects available, and you can easily apply these effects to videos. So if you are using mobile right now, then Wondershare Filmora might be the next step up in your video editing journey. Talking about Adobe Premiere Pro, it has a more complex interface. However, you have a greater range of advanced tools and features, and it is customizable for creating professional grade videos. You can customize the interface according to your liking, and then it also offers more flexibility and control in video editing. That's what you would expect of a software that is as advanced as Premiere Pro, but it is suited for professionals and experienced video editors. And if you have more than one people working on a project, then it also offers better collaboration and sharing features. Moving on, we are going to be talking about the general features. So in Wondershare Filmora, you have the split screen features for creating creative effects in videos. Then you also have the tilt shift feature for creating a blur effect on specific areas of the video. Then you can also track the faces and replace them with anything else that you like. So among all other features, I just wanted to highlight a few that I think might be important in regular use. And then in Premiere Pro, you have advanced color correction tools for precise color grading. Then you also have motion graphics for adding visual effects and animation to your videos, which makes your video more engaging. Then you can also do 3D editing for creating complex visuals. It also supports 360-degree VR videos, and the range of advanced audio tools for editing and mixing audio, well, they are far greater than Wondershare Filmora. Now talking about performance and speed, Wondershare Filmora is very lightweight software. Even if you have a computer that is very basic, it can even work on that piece. However, if you have the ones with graphic cards and better RAM and ROM, well, it would work even better. So it's fast and responsive, and it is designed to work well on lower end hardware like I just mentioned, and it can also handle video editing projects with so much ease. Even the video that you are going to be seeing, it will be edited on Wondershare Filmora. Talking about Premiere Pro, since it's a professional software, it's resource intensive and it requires high-end hardware to run smoothly, and it also can handle large video editing projects, and it also offers faster rendering time. Although the rendering time also depend on your graphic cards and memory, and you must have had an idea by now that it allows for advanced video editing features and effects. Then we have the pricing. So the pricing might change with time. So since video is going to go up just one time, so you can go on and check the prices on the websites of Wondershare Filmora and Premiere Pro. However, generally Filmora is significantly cheaper than Premiere Pro, and it's great choice for those who are on a budget. And it offers a one-time payment option as well, and it offers a range of different pricing plans that suit your need. Talking about Premiere Pro, it's more expensive than Wondershare Filmora, and that's what expected of it since it offers a lot more features, and it is primarily used by professionals, which you must have got an idea about, which you might know already by now. And it also has a monthly subscription as well, and the subscription plan also includes access to other Adobe Creative Cloud apps, which is an added advantage. And you also get more flexible payment options with the subscription plan as well. Talking about the support, both Filmora and Premiere Pro offer support through their websites, forum and user communities. However, generally Premiere Pro offers better support. So the support comes in the form of Creative Cloud services, and it also provides access to other software tools and resources, and it also allows for seamless integration with other Adobe apps such as After Effects and Photoshop. And talking about the knowledge resources, although Filmora also has quite a lot available on YouTube, on forums. However, Premiere Pro being a widely used software, it has a wide range of tutorials and online resources, and it also provides customer support through phone, email and chat support. And although this type of support might also be available for Wondershare Filmora, however, if you want to go all in on video editing and you are looking for a good support system, well, Premiere Pro could be your choice in that case. And let's talk about import and export. So both of these software offer a wide range of import and export formats, and even if you talk about Filmora, it is quite convenient and you wouldn't have any problem. However, when it comes to Premiere Pro, it offers more flexibility and control in importing and exporting video files, and it also supports a wider range of video codec and file formats, and it allows users to customize export setting to suit their specific needs, offer advanced options for rendering and exporting videos, and it also provides support for HDR and IMF formats. In Premiere Pro, you also get better support for multi-camera workflows and complex video projects. Now moving on, let's talk about collaborating and sharing. So just ignore the very first slide. It is copied from the previous slide. However, talking about the collaborating and sharing part, so Premiere Pro stands out in this one as well. So Premiere Pro offers better collaboration and sharing features and allows users to work on the same project simultaneously. And it also offers integration with other professional services like After Effects and Photoshop, and you can also get the direct sharing options for social media platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. And the best part is that while using Premiere Pro, it also offers you cloud storage for your projects, and it comes with the Adobe Creative Cloud services, and it also provides version control to track and manage changes by multiple users in a project. If you have a team working on the project, you might want to track the changes made by everyone. So that's where Premiere Pro has a competitive advantage over Wondershare Filmora. And talking about the plugins and extensions, here also Premiere Pro takes the lead. You have a wide range of plugins and extension available, and it can be used to extend its functionality and customize its features. So there are many third-party plugins and solutions for advanced visual effects, graphics, and audio processing. The best part is that if you are very technical, you would find it really interesting since it offers a comprehensive API for creating custom plugins and extensions. So the custom plugins are the ones that you make yourself. If you are into that type of stuff, then the Premiere Pro software might be the one that you want to use. And it also provides access to Adobe Stock, which is a vast collection of stock footages, images, and audios that can be used in the project. And another important feature is that it allows for integration of third-party tools like Avid Media Composer or Blackmagic DaVinci's Resolve to work alongside Premiere Pro. So finally, thank you for watching this video, and I hope this side-by-side comparison would have enabled you to come to a decision. And if you have any point to add, be sure to write it down in the comments. And if you are looking for more information, you might want to check out the channel as well. Have a good one.